Question: 10-year-old Rhythm Mamania has created a record by climbing Everest Base Camp. It is situated at what height? Answer: 5,364 meters. Question: Archbishops of Goa and blank have been elevated by Pope Francis to the rank of cardinal. Answer: Hyderabad. Question: has launched an online portal to simplify teacher education programs in higher education institutions. Answer: National Council for Teacher Education, NCTE. Which team has won the 15th edition of the Indian Premier League, IPL, on the 29th of May 2022? Answer: Gujarat Titans. India's 1 million all-women ASHA workers were awarded and honored by in May 2022. Answer: WHO. PM Modi inaugurated India's biggest drone festival, Bharat Drone Mahotsav 2022 in May 2022. Answer: New Delhi. Which state has been selected for World No Tobacco Day Award by WHO? Answer: Jharkhand. Question: which train between India and Bangladesh will begin from 1st June 2022? Answer: Mitali Express. Question: a new species of Old World monkey named after Selar Pass is found in which state? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. Param Ananta, a state-of-the-art supercomputer, was commissioned at on May 30, 2022. Answer: II. As per the RBI survey, which currency note is the most preferred banknote in India? Answer: 100 rupees currency note. Based on the Vande Bharat platform, the 16-coach Gati Shakti train is being built at the Answer: Integral Coach Factory ICF, Chennai. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with our new video.